Hello and welcome to the Vincelli channel. So today I have a box. Yes, it's a Sinosmart box. So this is probably one of the first in the UK and it is running Android 14. So let's go ahead and do a live unboxing of this brand new unit. It's been sent to us direct from the suppliers, Sinosmart, and see if there's anything different. I don't think there will be, because it's all designed to fit flawlessly in your vehicle, so it looks factory original. Why would they change anything? It all works perfect, so why mess with it? Now here we go. Okay, so when you get your boxes from them, you get your radios from them, sorry, you will be greeted with a microfiber cleaning cloth. Also helps with install, because I usually lie it on the dash and put the radio on top of there, so it doesn't get any marks on it. But it does have two screen protectors on it that you peel off. You peel the first one off after installation, keep the second one on as long as you want. So once you've undone the box and you've got the microfiber cleaning cloth out of the way, you've got your warranty and support card with a QR code on the back there, and the cables that you will get in this bag sent from Sinosmart to connect the unit to your factory leads. So there's a QR code on the back of the installation card. You also get a trim removal tool. Very handy, pretty good. Doesn't bend or anything. It's pretty sturdy. Actually, keep that for the future for when you need to install, I don't know, dash cams or whatever. You've got your Wi-Fi antenna that screws onto the back of the radio. And then you will be getting one of your FACRA adapters. This is if you mention me when you place your order via WhatsApp to their number, if you contact me down below, or on the notes section on AliExpress when you order. If you mention my YouTube channel or me, you'll get these for free. So it's a FACRA adapter and your USB adapter for your DAB radio, and you get two USBs. One is for your USB adapter for your DAB radio, and your second one is just a spare USB cable that you will get. You can have that coming out underneath your glove box or inside your glove box even if you wanted to, or if you don't want to, just leave it behind. And thinking of USBs, you get an adapter also, so your original car USB carries on working. And obviously you've got your CAN bus decoder on your cables. Sorry, I didn't mention that. And you've also got a cable here to put your SIM card, so you get internet on it without having to hotspot your phone all the time. I've had a SIM card in the past, just for ease of use really, but I don't bother with it anymore. I just hotspot if I need to watch the YouTube or Netflix or whatever while I'm waiting for somebody. I'll just hotspot from my phone to the radio, and then obviously you get the other adapters, little clips that you screw onto the back of the radio, so it goes into your dash and holds firm. And then, as you can see, it's very well packaged. No damage to the unit. So this has took about a week, about 5 to 7 days to come over here, direct from the manufacturers. Like I say, there's never been any issue. There's no hold up at the customs or anything like that. So you undo it, like I say, you've got plenty of bubble wrap, and then let's get my knife again. Open this, more protective packaging, There we go. As you can see, it's very well packaged. So it's a delicate piece of equipment and you don't want anything damaged to it. So there is the unit, and they've actually put a sticker on there, remove before use, because some people have complained saying the screen is scratched. Well, yeah, it's a cover. It's designed to stop scratches getting on there. So take it off, don't forget. But now they've put a sticker on there because some people didn't realise there was a sticker on there. Yeah, let's have a look at it. So it's got heatsink technology on this one, no fan on the back for cooling, which is better for reliability. This one is right, yeah, this is the top of the range, laminated display, 8/256 GB, so it's got massive memory on it. I don't think you'll ever fill that up really, unless you've got loads of apps. But yeah, it's the plastics on the cover seem to have actually improved, gone a bit more sturdy actually, a bit more quality. So yeah, that's the unboxing, as you can see. So the next video will be an install in my car to show you it running, and then we'll get it off to a customer, we'll get it sent out. Any questions or comments, drop below and I'll get back to you. So I've reached over 1,000 subscribers now. Please subscribe for more interesting unboxings like Sinosmart technology, and reviews on other things. But I remember being excited when I got 100 subscribers. To be over 1,000 is just unbelievable, to say the least. Thanks, guys. Please share my channel and recommend it to people. And if you want any interesting installs in anything else, or any unboxings of anything else, let me know, because Sinosmart also do camera installs, cameras, reversing cameras. You'll see one of my install videos on the Kia Picanto, and also Ford Transit. There's an install on a Ford Transit that radically changed that one. The customer is absolutely over the moon with that. But yeah, like I say, this is the Android 14, brand new out there. This is the first one in the UK, and I'll look forward to the operating video. Please stick around and subscribe, and keep an eye out for the following video. Cheers, guys.